Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
When the noble verse was revealed, and warn your nearest and dearest family, the Messenger of God, Muhammad, may God bless him, contemplated how to convey it to his family and tribe, knowing they would oppose and strongly reject his call.
O Ali, prepare some food. Make rice, place a leg of sheep over it, and a jug of milk. Gather the children of Abdul Muttalib for me. I must inform them of what I've been commanded.
Your request is my command, O Messenger of God.
Indeed, nearly 40 men from the clan of Bani Hashim arrived at the house of Prophet Muhammad. He provided them with food and milk.
How stingy you are, Muhammad! This food isn't enough for one man. How can 40 men have it?
Eat in the name of God, and you will see, O Abu Lahab, the blessing of this food.
The people ate, all satisfied with the same amount, due to the blessing of the name of God and the Prophet.
Give them milk to drink, O Ali.
As you wish, O Messenger of God.
After they all ate and drank, the Prophet said,
I have brought you the goodness of this world and the hereafter, and God, blessed and most high, has commanded me to invite you to it. O Bani Hashim, by God, I know of no young man among the Arabs who brought better news to his people than I brought to you. Which one of you will help me in this matter? He will be my brother and successor among you.
The Prophet repeated these words 3 times. Only Ali ibn Abi Talib, no more than 15 years old at the time, answered,
O Prophet of God, I will be your minister over them.
This is my brother and successor among you, so listen to him and obey him.
Did you hear, Abu Talib, that your nephew is ordering you and us to obey your son Ali?
Be silent, Abu Lahab. Muhammad only speaks the truth.
And so, Ali ibn Abi Talib gained a special status with the Prophet, becoming his brother, minister, and successor after him.